Everything needs time, and this is something which I've realized over the weekend. Good evening and welcome back on a brand new week. It's a Monday today. So, the entire weekend was actually spent completely breaking the head on this idea that I've been talking about since last couple of months. So, it happened like Saturday was the last day for submission of this contest idea to the government contest rather. And the funny thing is, initially they had written that 5:30 on Saturday, which is 17th of July, was the last date for the submission of idea. And once I submitted it, I think maybe like what 5 or 5:15, the page got refreshed. I mean, it got submitted, but the page got updated with the new date and time. The new last date is now 26th of July. Anyway, that apart, I've submitted, I've done my part. It's all just like wait and watch for this week to see if we get through to the next round or whatever, if we get a mail or a call or something like that. Now, coming to the main point, the entire weekend was spent preparing for this. And as I mentioned to you last week, probably on Thursday, before I went into that bad mood on Friday, I was very keen on protecting this idea and making sure that it's all safe and sound before we submit it out in the public domain. So I was reaching out to my cousin who is also an IP lawyer, and I was just trying to ask what is the type of information that you require and all. And eventually on a Friday night, and even on Saturday, I think on Friday night to be precise, we got on a very long call with my cousin and her partner in her office who deals with all the IP related stuff. And the thing, I mean, after explaining all the situation and everything, the first thing that he told me was like, I want all the details by tomorrow evening. He told like before you even submit the idea for the contest, make sure that you give me all the information in a document. I had written one draft already and I sent it across, but when I spoke, I think I spoke more and I just explained it in detail what, how, where, everything, and all those stuff. So now the whole point here was one thing is like there was certain information that was missing in the contest document. My own sister, she had helped me clean up certain things, and now this conversation led to another point wherein you had to put a little things about cost factors like the cost of operations and the key partners and those aspects that was missing here. The main thing is the other document, which is basically the overview of the whole plan, the whole idea, that had to be like expanded with the approach and all those stuff. So now what happened is they wanted both this document by Saturday evening, and I told like I will try and see if I can do this contest wala document before end of the day on Friday, which is like literally overnight, and then probably work on the bigger document during the day on Saturday, so that evening on Saturday I can go ahead and I can submit the idea for the contest, and then uh, probably by evening I can give this document also. But while I was researching for this additional points to be written in the contest document, I just realized that I should not hurry up. I mean, I was just not convinced that I should not rush through this and all the stuff. So the first and foremost thing, and the most obvious thing that I did was I immediately reached out to my sister and I just told her, this is what is my situation. What do you think is that I should do? And she has seen me go through all these things in the last few weeks, and in fact, like I told her about this idea long back itself, and she had started pitching in so many things that she had to give inputs and all long back. But after that, both of us had like kept quiet. So now the thing is, she told that you seem to be very inclined towards this contest and very serious about this whole idea and trying to bring it into shape and all that stuff. And the first biggest what do you call checkpoint here is this contest. Okay, this is not a deciding factor. Like if I don't get a call or if I get a call second round, I don't go through all those things. Any of those negative things happen, I'm not really worried. I will make sure that this idea comes into the life. But what she told was keep everything aside, keep all this protecting of ideas, making bigger document, business plan, everything aside. All that she told me is concentrate step by step and take things slowly. Make things happen on a gradual way rather than rushing into it. And the first thing she told me is go and finish off this contest document, submit it, close the window, come out of it, clear your mind, then switch over to all the additional things that you have to work on for the document. And then I realized, like, but this other person was actually waiting for the document so that he can see if he can help me out with that idea protection and all those stuff. Then she told, like, no, speak to them, make them clear what is your intent. If they're really worried about all the detailed stuff, then this is not the time. Just tell them outright this is not the time, but make sure that you go and concentrate on the contest first and then on the elaborate. So I took like I 9 out of 10 or probably 9.9 out of 10 times I go with what she says, and I just went with her word. I started working only on the contest document, and in fact, like, I did most of the research on Friday night, but the actual writing part I did only on Saturday during the day. So I finished everything. By the time I finished all the stuff and I could communicate it to my cousin about this fact that we are not going with a detailed document now, it was almost lunchtime. She agreed and she was okay. And eventually she even came back telling that whatever you're given is enough. So you take your time and come up with the complete detailed stuff later on. We can look into it that time, not a problem. But that's what she told. So eventually in the evening I submitted. Then I told you, like, the end date change and all those stuff. That's fine. We got an acknowledgement. We are submitted in the contest. Now it's all left to them whether they'll actually see it, whether they'll actually come back and all those things. There are so many caveats within the application form itself. They were asking whether this idea is in production or not. If it is in production, they wanted some details. If it is not in production, which is in our case, they wanted like a GitHub URL and other stuff. I seriously wonder, if somebody is not put something on production, how will they keep the GitHub URL public? Like, even if it is there in production, why will they keep it? So anyway, that was I'll keep all those aside. Like, I'm just not breaking my head on all the stuff. So this is exactly what happened. Now, while I submitted this and all, I got on another call later in the night with my cousin and her office partner and all. So they started giving me more ideas now. They're like, you can do this, you can do that. Well, how about this? How about that? And all. And that's how my Sunday went. So Sunday, I just realized I don't want to sit in front of the system. I don't want to do any writing. I don't want to do any searching. All that I did was I just finished my breakfast in the morning. I just came into the room. I had a pencil in my hand and I was just walking up and down this room, like from this end to the other end. The other end is where I have my board, a black board, and a hanging chart and all this stuff. So I just took out a fresh paper. I just kept it. I kept a fresh chart, a fresh paper, and I just kept on jotting everything that we had discussed over the last probably 48 hours, and all the new ideas. And while thinking about those new ideas, few more things started coming up, and so many things related to analytics, so many things related to data gathering and all those stuff. Just kept on writing. So probably by now I think it's around half a page, or probably like a A4 size page worth of points, which is in addition to all the things that I already have. So now the point is, it's not just writing here. I'll have to translate it into a document on a Google Docs or wherever I want to store it. But I also want to start writing each of these points as an action point in maybe something like a GitHub or a Trello, so that we can start prioritizing what is important, what is not important, what should go first, what should not go first. So this is exactly how my weekend was spent. Uh, the main gist of it is never hurry up. Give time for things to happen, and it will happen. Don't worry that okay, if you don't do it not. See, even things like a potter. So if he wants to make a pot, he just can't put a clay or mud on that wheel, pottery wheel, and he can't expect magic to happen within, say, like next few seconds or even probably few minutes. It takes time. Okay, he has to shape it up, he has to bring it to a shape, he has to do all those fine structuring and smoothing of the surface, everything. Sometimes they go and do all this final last minute finishing touch and decoration. It all takes time. Look at carpentry. You just can't take a piece of wood and you can't take a chisel and a hammer and you beat it 5 times and you can't come out with a sculpture or anything. Everything takes time. Everything requires some amount of free time, a patience time, and also, like as I told you yesterday, the number of points that I wrote, most of it I wanted to go into the bigger document, and I wouldn't have done it if I had to do it on Saturday. because these ideas came only on a Saturday night, and I expanded this yesterday. So giving more time meant that I got more ideas now. More ideas might be good or bad, that time will tell, but at least I've got more ideas now, and I'm pretty sure there will be a lot more to come. So this is exactly what I wanted to talk about. That time is definitely money. Time is valuable, but giving time also means that there will be something good that will be coming out of this whole process. So that's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Take care.